Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? I think I am. I think I am. Look who it is from his new setup. I welcome you. Hold on. I want to make sure that I'm live correctly on the other stream. Yes, I am. There I am. Oh, in all my glory. In my new office. Welcome to my new office, everyone. Or office, or study, or I don't know, studio. I don't know. Still have a lot of echo. But it's gonna go away. Don't worry. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix that. For the time being, I sound like in a church or something. How is everyone? Let me put up chat. Hold on, because I don't. Oh, there it is. I can look over here actually. Now I don't even need to open another window. I have so I need to say hello to a few people here. So who's here? Cloggy, you lovely man. Oh, Cloggy indeed. Cloggy indeed. All right. So who's in the chat room? Say your name. So Judy was here first. He was like, sup, yo. And then scrolling down, there was Sha Sha Sha. I love saying your username, Sha Sha Sha. And Cheers freaking out that he can't find the game. I'm gonna guide you, buddy. I am gonna guide you. All right. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Don't worry, man. I know it's not on Android store, but I'm gonna show you how you can play with us tonight. It's gonna be fun, if I do say so myself. Who else is in chat? Hold on, I'm gonna scroll down. Scroll in. There's Ivan. What's up, Ivan? And there's Original. I already said hello to. Well, I kind of said, but he called me a cloggy. So. All right. So here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna play Quiplash. Last time we played this was New Year's Eve, and it didn't end well for me because it hurt a lot. Angelo is sneaking in, and there's also Ala Shaker. Welcome, welcome. Come in. We're gonna play a game together. Come on. All you need to do is play the game is just open either a browser tab. I'm gonna be playing with my tablet. All right. You can play with your tablet or your smartphone, or just open another tab in your computer. It's gonna be very very easy. All right. So as you can see, you don't need to have the copy of the game or anything like that. Nothing. Okay. So let me put the game up. Let me pull the game up. So I hope you can hear the game okay. Can you hear the game okay? I hope you can. Hold on. I think you can though. I think you can. I hope you can. So it might take a while until we assemble at least 8 people in the team. So we're just gonna have to wait for a bit. And when that happens, the wire is in the way of my keyboard. This is annoying. My headphone wire is in the way. Used. It was I lay with myself. Shh. Da da. Da da. Alright, so play new game. Here's what's gonna happen. Everyone, on your phones or on your tablets or on another tab. Alright? I need you to go to jackbox.tv. No, I'm gonna do it on my tablet actually. It's easier to go on the tablet. It's a bigger screen. So go to jackbox.tv. I'm gonna do it with you guys. Alright, we're gonna do it with you. I'm doing great, Ala. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you're doing well too, my friend. So, Jackbox, that's can't even spell, JACKBOX, jackbox.tv. That's it, yes, jackbox.tv. I hope I'm not mistaken. Alright, yeah, alright. So on screen, there's going to be a 4-letter code. I'm going to show it very soon. So you can join in my room. And then we can play together. Put in a username. I'm going to put one in right now. Alright. And then we're going to get a code very soon. Alright. So, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to play game? Alright. I'm going to go first, okay? I'm going to go first. And we're going to have to wait for a bit so we get some people in. So the password is OPPB. OPPB. Play.
Hi.
I'm in already, you see? So I'm already waiting. Once again, guys, you don't need to have the game. All you need to do is open a browser tab on your computer or just open your smartphone or your tablet. Go to jackbox.tv and there's a password. All right, Cheerios! There's Cheerios. We're gonna have to wait a few people, okay? We can have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can play a total of 8 people, and then if anybody else joins afterwards, if anybody joins afterwards, they can vote. Alright, they can vote. Basically what we're gonna do, yay, cheers in! And then what we're gonna do, the game is gonna ask us some questions, some even awkward and weird questions, and and you have to be very original to think of the funniest and most original answer so people vote for you. It's as simple as that. Try to be funny. Try to be funny, peoples. What I'm gonna do in the meantime, Origin is gonna watch. Come on, come play with us. Come play with us, my friend. So I'm gonna do, cause empty. I'm gonna go get Vloggy come to New York. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. Alright, so I'm gonna go get some wine and I'll be right back. We're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. We're only 2 people. Come on! Come on! I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. Shasha is in! Boom! Like that. Alright. You are so loud, Vloggy, but now you are in here. Where's the wine? I am very loud. Hey, Emily! Welcome! Welcome, Emily! So, if I'm too loud, let me know. Even if the game is too loud, let me know if someone is overpowering something, if something's too loud. Alright? So, again, before I go, one more time. If you want to join, it's going to be very, very funny. Go to jackbox.tv on your browser or on your tablet or on your smartphone. Put in our username and put in that code. And we're all gonna play. So far we have 3 people. I'm gonna go get some wine. I'll be right back. Hey, Glenny P, what's up, my friend? I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna keep talking forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Alright, so I'm back. So, this is gonna be a long stream. So, I got 2 bottles of wine, alright? I'm gonna have to... I'm kidding, one of them is almost empty. I don't know if you can see. One of them is almost empty, so that's why. Right? And I may need another one. Emily is in as well. That's nice. And Dada and Ala. That's so cool, man, if we can get 8. Can we get 8? Can we get... Let's wait another 3 minutes. You know, let's wait another 3 minutes. I'll make myself a drink, we can talk, and all that stuff. You know, am I still in the game? Let's just make sure I'm still in the game. Yes. Press this button when everybody has joined. I'm not gonna press the button yet. I feel that someone is coming in very soon. I don't think Sakura is gonna be joining us. I think she's at work. I don't know. Usually when we stream on Fridays, Alright. Usually when we stream on Fridays, we have to stream very late, like 2 a.m. my time, because... So yeah, that's that. That's that. I like the emojis, Ivan. Alright. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes and I hit the button, okay? 2 more minutes and I hit the button. No, I have my own coffee machine. Is it no or now? Do you mean now? You mean now or no? Varo! Come on, quick! Quick, Varo! Go! Do it! Do it now! Get to the chopper now! Put that cookie down! Drew is here! Drew, show yourself! Where's... Seriously, Drew is here? What's the code? It's there on the screen! OPPB! OPPB! Oh my goodness, Drew is here! So awesome! Alright, come on. One more. One more. Hey Chase! Hellos, hellos, hellos. Okay. Hold on. Hold on, I got a text. Alright. How is Chase? How are you, Chase? Come on. There's 1 slot left. Come on. Come on. Who's gonna take the last slot? Come on. They say the last is always the best. You know that? You know that? The last. How to join? You don't know how to join. Oh, Varo's in. We're full. But if anybody wants to join, they can still join and they can vote. Alright? So you're still in time to join as audience, alright? All of us are gonna be competing, but we're gonna join. Everybody's in. Let's go. This is gonna be so funny, guys. Come on, make me laugh. Try not to keep it off. Try not to make it offensive, all right? You can take a joke, but don't be offensive to each other.
Hi, I'm Schmitty. That's spelled S-C-H, Mitty. Well, that's everybody, I guess. Have fun and keep your hands where I can see them. Remember, anybody can join the audience at any point during the game.
Oh, you take my
Time for round
ta-la-la.
one. You'll get 2 prompts on your device. Just answer them however you want. Your responses, or quips, will be pitted against someone else's, and everyone will vote on their favorite.
Quips.
You score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners' bonuses at stake. Go!
All right, that's one. I don't know. This is so stupid. This is so stupid. I don't like this one. Alright, that's the best I can think of. Alright, come on guys. Everyone's almost ready. One more to go. Hey, True! I see True! Is Sakura here? Hey, Sakura, hello! Hello, nice to see you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh man, I can't wait for this. I can't wait to see your answers, guys. I wonder who's gonna win. Anybody can join as audience, by the way. You can still join in as audience and vote for other people's answers. So even though you didn't make it here, it's still gonna be fun.
Let's start this show. First up, worst thing to stuff inside a piñata. Okay, pick your favorite.
I don't like to say which one I'm voting for because I don't want to influence other people. So I like to keep it for myself. Nobody voted, really? Well, I win. Booyah.
Next one. New requirement at amusement parks, you must be this blank to ride. Time to vote.
Who said that? Oh my goodness, that is so funny. Guys, look at your tablets for the answers, okay? Emily! Look at your tablets because obviously the question prompts are ahead of the stream, okay? Oh my
Okay,
goodness,
next one.
Emily.
A weird thing for a bank robber to demand in a hostage situation. It's voting time.
I like this. Alright, I like that. Oh, I voted for True. I thought it was funny. I got your back, True. Hey, King Tim, welcome! Raven, hello!
Next in line,
Nice to see you all.
something it's not a good idea to put in the overhead bin on an airplane. Vote on your devices.
Who said this? I'm so curious. Hey, Kana Chris, welcome. Dada. Grappler! Grappler! Nice one.
Coming up next, the least popular item in the Victoria's Secret catalog.
GG through. I like
And
that.
next, a prank the Supreme Court justices probably play on each other. Time to vote.
Oh man. Oh man. that Quiplash? Quiplash! I like that.
And next is, it would be awesome to win Jeopardy with the phrase, what is blank, Alex? It's voting time.
Is that you, Emily? Is that you? Oh man. That wasn't. It was Shasha. But Emily voted for that.
Next up, the worst thing to vomit into when you suddenly need to vomit. Vote on your devices.
Okay. Nice. I wonder who's winning.
Round
Let's see.
one is in the books. Let's see the scores.
Hey!
We are the
Round two
champions,
time,
my
and to make it
friend.
interesting, I'm doubling all the point values. You heard me.
Oh, come on. This could be so good. Oh, man. Ah, I blanked out. I'm gonna Google something real quick. No, I'm not gonna. I am. I don't care. I don't have time. I don't have time. Come on. That was a fart? Just in
Let's
time.
take a look.
Just in
The
time.
first
All right. I hope
prompt
I did that right.
A
One of them is a
terrible
reference
name
to
for a
something.
cruise ship. Okay,
I
voting
like that.
time. Pick your favorite.
I like that one. Whoever came up with that. I like that one. But you lost a good chance to call it shitty. Shitty shippy.
Okay, next one. Little known fact, the fourth wise man gave baby Jesus the worst gift of all, blank. Time to vote.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is that you, true? Oh, that has to be true. Oh my goodness. Shasha. I won?
Hey!
I won.
Next in line, tip, never eat at a place called Kentucky Fried blank. It's voting time.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, what's going on in chat? You can't compete. Why? Come on, Cheer. Come on, Cheer. Wow, true. Nice. Quiplash.
Exactly. Who fries their testicles? You should steam them.
Did you hear the
Next
commentator?
one, a name for a really scary swamp, blank swamp. Vote on your devices.
Oh my goodness, you guys are amazing. Oh man, I miss Sakura answers here. Where's Sakura? Yeah, there you go, Cheerio. You won one.
And next, if we use only 10% of our brains, what's the other 90% doing? It's voting time.
I don't get it. Why? Why 80? What's 80? Doing 80. Again, you missed the opportunity.
Coming
to
up
another
next,
number. Emily's
name of a
favorite
children's book by someone who hates children. Time to vote.
number. These childrens. I won! That's actually a Family Guy reference. I don't know how many of you got that.
And next is the most embarrassing name for a dog. Vote on your devices.
Is that you, True? Hey, Blaze! Yes, you can, Blaze. First come, first serve, though. So, when it goes up, go ahead, you know? True, it was true. It had to be true. I knew it.
And next,
I knew it.
new movie idea. The Muppets Take Blank. It's voting time.
Oh, man. You spelled it incorrectly, Emily, but I saw what you did there and I liked it.
And that's all for
Mistake,
round
Emily.
2. Fire up the scoreboard.
Did I win again? Did I win again?
Hey!
Still winning. Drew is a second, huh? Me and Drew are owning this game just like we do with
And
every
now,
Resident Evil
round
Outbreak.
3, the last lash. Point values are tripled, and you'll all be answering the same prompt this time. Our prompt is a weirdly enticing subject line for an email in your spam folder.
Wow, this is good. All right. Come on, let's do this. Are you guys ready?
We're ready to look. Okay, in this round, you have 3 votes to give to players. You can give them all to one player or spread them out.
Seriously? Seriously? 2 of them? 2 of the same answers? Seriously? 2 of them are the same? What? Seriously? What? You guys are crazy. I love you guys. That's mind-blowing. And Sakura's not even there. That wasn't me. My goodness, all of them are going to vlog in this. Ah, penis on that. Okay. That was actually mine. That was actually mine. What? What? True, same answer got more than mine. What? GG, True.
It's over.
Did you win
Let's
this
take
one?
a look at the final
Did you
scores.
win? It's me against True. It's me against True. True! True! Oh my goodness, True!
Hey.
That was a good one. That was so good. That was so good. GG, True. You blew my mind. That's good. I like that. The sip goes for you. The sip is for you.
Hey.
No, the sip was for me. GG, you did really well. My goodness. All right, we're gonna go again, obviously. Okay. New players. It's amazing. I can control the whole game with my tablet. I don't even need to touch anything on screen here. It's totally fine. All right, there's the password. My goodness. All right, first come, first serve, guys. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Tra-la-la, my tra-la-la. Come on, you can still join and vote. You can still join and vote. So you're good. Come on. You guys ready? You touch my tra-la-la. All right, let's go. Are you leaving, Colonel Chris? If you are, thank you so much for stopping by, buddy. All right, I'm gonna push. Are you guys ready? It's True leaving as well? Oh, okay, True. See ya. Thank you so much for playing. Take care, buddy.
Hi there, I'm Schmitty, and I truly hope that you all consider me to be an acquaintance. All right, you guys, hold on to your butts and also your phones, because here we go. This is round one. You get points based on the percentage of people who like your answer, and a bonus if you get more votes than your opponent. Go!
So. What? All right, we'll see how this goes. All right, I think one of them is obvious that it was me. Are you in, Sakura? Did you manage to get in? What's wrong, Sakura? Why are you sighing? What happens?
Okay, here we go. First one, an idea for Lady Gaga's next crazy outfit, a blank dress. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Come on. That's Sakura. That's Sakura. That's Sakura. Shasha! Someone is tralala. Who is tralala?
Next one, the most
What
creative
do you
thing
really
you
want
can
me
make
to play?
entirely
Come
out
on.
of boogers. Vote on your devices.
That's you. I know, right,
Okay,
Emily?
next one.
Like, what?
The futuristic invention you can't wait to see exist. Time to vote.
Huh? Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! But whoever gave that answer, I got news for you. It's been invented. I invented it. Fine.
Coming up next, 3 things MacGyver needs to make a bomb. It's voting time.
Who's had Vloggy's pants? Who's had Vloggy's pants? Because I'll give them right now to MacGyver. Cheers. He won Vloggy's pants? Really? Come on, man.
Next in line, the name of a law firm you shouldn't hire. Vote on your devices.
I like that one. That's very original. I like that one. Wow, tra-la-la. You just touched the tra-la-la. Actually, you didn't get a quick.
Next up, what you would do with 2 free hours and a flamethrower. Time to vote.
Oh, I like that one. Whoever you are, you're awesome. The final dope. Is final hope here? The final
Next
dope
one.
is final hope here.
The
I don't
name
see
of the
final
next
hope in the
hot
chat.
boy band. It's voting time.
Who else knows the tra-la-la? Me. Whoa! Cheer! You see, Cheer, you're good at this. You see, Cheer, you got whiplash! You're winning this round, I think. Let's see. No, there's
Coming
one
up
more.
next, something fun to scream when you win in a game of bingo, other than bingo. Vote on your devices.
Oh, man. Ah, Emily! Ha My ding ding dong!
That's the end of round 1. Let's take a look at the scores.
Vloggy wins again. Oh, wow! 4th place.
Now round 2, where all points and bonuses are doubled. The
Who's
drama.
first? Cheer? Was it Cheer? Was I right? I like this one. Oh my goodness, it's so good, and I can't think of a good one. Oh, come on. I don't know. I don't know. I just, because I panicked now. I'm running low on time, so I had to. I'm sorry. What's going on? Mine was really good actually. I know you're complaining about it being crap, yours, Blaze, but mine was really good. But I blanked out. It's just my mind wasn't working. All right, time's up. Somebody
Okay,
without
it's time
answer.
for some quiplashing. Starting things off, what time is it? Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
Oh man. Tra-la-la. Now was that you? Tra-la-la is you.
Okay, next one. The worst thing that could crawl out of your toilet.
Oh, come on, man. Come on. That was such a good answer. Everyone throw a cha-cha.
And next is... Sometimes John Travolta wildly mispronounces names. How might he wildly mispronounce his own name? Time to vote.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I got tears in my eyes. You guys.
And next, a realistic, honest fast food slogan. It's voting time.
I like this one because it's an inside joke mostly. That's probably Dada. I'm just gonna say it's Dada. No, it's Cheer.
Next in line, a name for a brand of designer adult diapers. Vote on your devices.
You're not playing Dada? Boo. Boo. GG, Sakura. Assuming that's you.
Okay, next one. Something you should never say to your mother.
Come on, mine was funny, alright? Mine was funny. Come on.
Next one, a weird thing to find in your grandparents' bedside table. Time to vote.
How is it? Of course.
And next is another name for a rectal thermometer. It's voting time.
Oh man, that is so good. Who came up with that? Really? I'm the only one that thought that was funny? Really? But you know, if I had to name something called the awkward pleasure, I would call the not the colonoscopy.
Round two is no more.
The
Let's see
prostate
damage.
exam. The awkward pleasure. Second place now. Ooh, is that Tra-la-la is you, yes? Sakura, sorry. Veganos here.
Welcome
And
to the
finalists
last
here.
lash,
Sorry,
the
I'm
final
missing out on
round.
chat. This
Stakes
game
are
is so
triple.
much, so
There's
much
just
fun.
one prompt, and you're all
Hold on,
getting
'cause
it.
this is good. The last lash is the most
Your
important
prompt
thing. I need to
is-
defeat Sakura. It's
The
her,
last
see?
person you'd consider inviting to your birthday party.
Alright, let's see. Try something. Yeah, Shasha, I think she rage quit.
Okay, soak it in. Apply your votes.
Seriously? Seriously? Okay. Seriously, so three of these people, all right. So three are people we know. Two of them are me, and somebody spelled my name incorrectly anyway. Hey, Mac Knight, welcome. Two of them me. I think we'll agree on Hitler. Unless I get more votes than Hitler now. Am I gonna get more votes than Hitler? Really? Yes, I am. Oh man! Oh man.
That's it. Let's take a look at the
Unfortunately,
final
that's-
scores.
Yeah, that guy. Yeah, I tried to throw a UV4, but apparently. Tralala wins. GG, Sakura. You touch my tralala. My ding ding dong. Kentucky Fried Baby. Winner is tralala. Jack Bokeh, CEO, Mike Builder, VP Creative. This is stupid. Floppy, whatever. Alright. Do you want to go again? We are gonna go again, yeah? We are gonna go again. Guys, I know that there's 20 people of you watching and there's only 13 likes. What's up with that? I'm never gonna take my shirt off with 13 likes, okay? I'm kidding. Alright, enough. Alright. So. GG Sakura. Alright, so. Wanna go again? Once again, guys, you can play this game by just, I don't know, going on your smartphone or your tablet or just opening another tab on your browser. Alright? Ooh, I went up to 17 likes, right? Like that. GG, guys, thank you. Alright, so open another browser tab or your tablet or your smartphone. Go to jackbox.tv and we're gonna get the detailed uploads very soon. Alright? Do it now! Let's go. Let's go again. Make me laugh. Vloggy, can you see me? Yes. Alright. So, new players. We're gonna go again. Are you guys ready? First come, first serve, guys. I just saw myself doing that. Alright. That face. You have been disconnected. Come on. Let's do it again. MLEV, guys. First, I'm gonna make myself some wine, and I'm gonna hit start the moment I pour the wine. All right. Now the wine I was drinking before, because I need to tell you, it was a Merlot. Merlot. That was red wine. That's empty. It's finished. All right, and now I have Prosecco. Can you see it? It's Prosecco. I love Prosecco. It's like kind of borderline champagne. All right. Okay, so Vloggy is in the game, obviously. Emily, Ala, V4, Shasha, Final Dope. I like Final Dope. Haribo, and you touch my tralala. All right, let's go again. Oh, Glady missed it again. Go in. You can still go in and vote. It's fine. You can go in and vote. Vloggy, you know I'm gonna take a snapshot of that face. Oh, yes, you are. You're gonna send it to me, and then you're gonna make a meme or something. Let's start. Everybody's in. I'm very sorry, guys. Those who wanted to join and they can't. It's just.
Theme
Sorry.
song?
You can
Check.
still join to vote.
Ready?
You can still
Check.
go in at any point
Players?
during the game. It's fine.
Our whole lives have been leading up to this moment. Don't ruin it. This is round one. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
Here we go. This is obvious that's me. Oh, come on. All right, we'll see. I don't know. I
Let's
start
take a
to
look.
panic when I see the countdown timer
Our
going down,
first
and I'm like,
prompt is
ugh, my creativity
something a
anytime.
weatherman might yell if he completely snapped during the weather forecast. Okay, pick your favorite.
You guys. I am slow, I'm sorry. I still haven't poured my wine. Can you believe that? Nice, Emily. Quiplash? Quiplash! I'm sorry, I have to yell that. Sorry.
Next up, a new name for kumquats.
I don't even know what kumquats is.
Vote
But
on
I
your
like
devices.
that. I'm sorry. I didn't know what they are, kumquats. You guys. Are you in the game, Mac
And
Knight?
next, name a TV drama that's about a vampire doctor. Time to vote.
You remember in Scrubs there was a show called Dr. Acula? Like he was writing a script for Dr. Acula. I forgot to vote! Sorry, I forgot to vote. Sorry.
Coming up next, in the future, scientists discovered that the secret to eternal youth is blank. Vote on your devices.
Sakura. It's Sakura. It has to be Sakura. Sakura. It's Sakura. It's Sakura. I will down this if it's not. It's Shasha! Shasha! Oh, come on. Everybody voted for Shasha.
Next one,
And mine was Gunther
the name that
videos.
cavemen probably gave to diarrhea. It's voting time.
Oh, come on. Oh. Ha ha ha, la la la.
And next is, how would you fix the economy? Time to vote.
I know, right? Wow, Alvaro. Whiplash. Nice one.
Next up, something Godzilla does when he's drunk. Vote on your devices.
These answers are.
Next in line, come up with a name for a sitcom about a bunch of wacky nuns. It's voting time.
Ooh!
That's all for round one. Here's the scoreboard.
Nice. Let's see. Is Tralala winning again? No, don't let her win. Wow, Emily! Emily! Oh, I looked at Emily. I didn't even look at where I
Round
was
two is
standing.
straight
Does
ahead,
anybody
and that
know
means
which
all
spot I
points
am?
are doubled.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you playing Raven? Let's go.
Let's start this show.
I'm very
first
confident
prompt
with my
is-
answers right now.
Come up with the name of a book that would sell 1 million copies immediately. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Raven. Yeah, I agree with Emily. That would sell a lot.
And next, a great nickname for your armpit hair. Time to vote.
What?
Okay, next one. A surprising thing to hear in a nature documentary. It's voting time.
Ooh! Oh, you touched my tralala. GG.
Next in
Hey,
line,
Sassy.
advice, never stick your tongue into blank.
Ooh, I like this one.
Vote on your devices.
Oh, you are sick. Who wrote this? Oh my goodness. Shasha, you're bad. You're bad, Shasha. I
And
only
next,
voted.
the title of a new YouTube cat video that's sure to go viral. It's voting time.
No. That is a good one. Emily. You'll get 1 million views with a
Next
misleading
one.
thumbnail.
What bears dream about all winter. Time to vote.
What? What? I don't know about this one. I think Emily's
Next
winning
up.
now.
How do you like it?
How do you like it? What? Oh,
It's voting time.
oh wait, come on. Come on, there's way too many women playing here. Oh. I'm done. Oh my goodness.
And next is survival tip: start a fire by rubbing blank. Vote on your devices.
Oh, come on. I'm starting to think that Vloggy beats all answers in any question. Oh, come on.
Round 2 is now complete. Let's see who completed it well.
Nah.
I'm 7th place, my goodness. Oh, come on, man. Vloggy beats all
This
answers.
is round 3.
Whatever it
the
is.
last lash. One final chance to catch up. Point values are tripled, and everyone gets the same prompt this time. The prompt is something that should never be homemade.
Emily's so fast. She comes up with great answers, and she's the first one to finish writing. That's why she thinks a lot. All right. Mentioning Emily made me think of a good answer. You're gonna see why. Anything vlog is invincible. 7 to 3rd. Wow.
And here's what you did. Vote with your votes now.
You see? Anyway. I really wanted to do a chili challenge with this one, but I used them to cook. Now I'm out of chilies again. I really wanted to have chilies for this session this evening. I'm very sorry. Only one vote! Homemade surgery! Come on! That's why it reminded me of Emily. I'm like, surgery. It's gonna be Vloggy. Vloggy's gonna be the winner. Look at this. Vloggy Burrito's gonna win. Vloggy Sausage, I guess, too. Yeah. Yeah, okay, there we go. I forgot that I voted for that, too.
That's the end. Let's see the final scoreboard.
I think he's gonna win this one. GM. The Vloggy Burrito. The Vloggy Burrito. Good one. Good one. You are a worthy opponent. Yeah, I can vote 3 times for the last one. Sorry, I still didn't get a new chair for my desk. I'm gonna find a good position. Hold on. I need to find a good position. Maybe this. Maybe this. I'm getting old. I'm old. Shoot, that was so close. Alright. Again. Another one. Another pipe. Get down. Get down. Get to the chopper now. Alright, let's do another one. Let's do another one. I won, so I can watch the next round. Alright, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I forgot to keep the stream. I mean, I tweeted earlier saying I'm gonna go like wherever. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, close. TZSU. TZSU. I touched it.
Aye.
One more. One more. There we go. Ready to go. Boom. Boom. What did I just do? Let's go. Let's equip the lash. This game is so much fun. I love it.
Hello there, I'm Josh Schmitty Schmitzenstein. Yes, that Josh Schmitty Schmitzenstein. Wow, there is a really weird energy in this room. Let's just try to get through this, okay? Time for
Can you guys
round
hear the
one.
commentator?
You get points based on the percentage of people who like your answer, and a bonus if you get more votes than your opponent. Go!
Are you leaving, Raven? Okay. Thank you so much for hanging out. Take care. See ya. Alright, we'll see.
Okay, here we go. First one, the name of Jesus' 13th apostle. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
Come on.
Coming up next, what's the first thing you would do if you could time travel? It's voting time.
I forgot to vote! You distracted me, you see? You distracted me. Sassy.
Next up,
I
a
forgot to
very
vote.
unnecessary surgery. Time to vote.
They are both so good. Oh my god. I forgot to vote. Again. Oh my goodness. They are both so good and I didn't vote. I suck. Oh my
And
goodness.
next,
Ah.
the most boring graffiti you could see in the subway. Vote on your devices.
I'm yawning. Wow, I've been up since 5:30 a.m. this morning.
And
huh?
next is, if God has a sense of humor, he welcomes people to heaven by saying blank. It's voting time.
Oh, you guys.
Welcome, my child. Next in line, bad advice for new graduates. Vote on your devices.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Really, Cheerios? Really? Really, Cheers? Really?
Okay, next one. A better name for France. Time to vote.
I think this one, you need to know that it's pronounced Cordon Bleu, la vache qui rit, hors de souffle. And yes, by the way, I am Pooh. I am Pooh.
Next one. An inventive way to get rid of head lice. It's voting time.
If I see Vloggy's name one more time in Quiplash, I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna keep playing, I guess. Where there's Vloggy wins. Dada. Not you two now.
That's round one.
Oh, poor
Let's
Fluggy.
take a look at the scores.
Shh, I'm gonna win this one. I'm telling you. Poor. I am poor. No. I'm sixth.
It's now time for round two. Everything is worth double, twice as much.
Hold on a sec. The worst way to be. Yeah, say it out loud. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish I was good at these. Oh man, I'm trying to think. This is so good, but my mind is blanking out. I should stop drinking. I should stop drinking. Okay. I
Okay, it's
just made
time
it
for
in.
some quiplashing. First up, something that would make a creepy replacement for the horses on a merry-go-round. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Who's Jack? Oh, Jack from Resident Evil, I suppose. Oh, I forgot to vote!
Next up, you wouldn't want to share a prison cell with someone named Blank. Vote on your devices.
Please, no more Vloggy answers. Please, I'm begging you.
Next in line, the weirdest room you could see in an airport would be one specifically designated for Blank. It's voting time.
Really, Sakura? Really, Emily? I don't know. I just blamed you two. I don't know why. I don't know why. Vote! It's not even Emily. It's not even Sakura. I am so sorry. Dada. Dada. And Shasha. I should have known.
And
I should
next
have known.
is the worst way to be murdered. Time to vote.
Both of them anal. Both of them. Not many people are voting. Actually. I don't know why. Well, I mean, I should talk. Why do you never vote? I am voting. My name is Pooh.
Okay, next one. What to say to get out of jury duty? Vote on your devices. Coming up next, the name of a cocktail for hillbillies.
Hey! Hey! I'm not voting. I'm not voting. I'm not voting. Come on! Come on!
And next, a lesson that should never be taught on Sesame Street. Time to vote.
Oh man. You guys, Shasha, you really? Hey, Khaled,
Next in
welcome.
line, you know you're really drunk when... Vote on your devices.
Come on! One of them is true. Oh man. Oh, come on!
We've reached the end of round 2. Let's see what happened.
Dada's good at this, huh? Look at that. Wow! Which one is you, Sakura?
This is round 3, the last lash. Points are tripled, and everyone gets the same one single prompt this time. Your last lash prompt is... Like dinger, grand salami, and jack, come up with a new slang term for a home run in baseball.
I don't know. I don't know. Eat my dust. I really am. You're beating me big time this time. Trashing me. It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you. I forgive you for beating me.
All right, here's the board. Give out your votes now.
Wow. I'm surprised there's no vloggy out of 8 answers. Amazing. Wow. Good for you guys. Amazing. You guys are so bad. You guys are so bad. But I'm proud of you that you didn't use my name in 8 answers. That's... wow. Please. I did really bad this time. I did really bad on this one. Oh well. Oh well. You guys are so bad. It's an achievement. I'm saving the best for next round. Yeah. Shasha. Shasha. Shasha.
That's all. Now for the final scores.
I touched it. Oh, I touched it. One, welcome. That's a spiffy looking new set you got there, Phoebe. Thank you. You're the first one to actually say something about it. Or maybe someone else did and I didn't notice. But yes. Welcome. Yes, it's still not done. I still have a few things to go. For instance, I am gonna have eventually one of those like mics that comes up to your face, like and you go, oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Emily's leaving. Sometimes I miss people saying good nights and stuff, and I just see the others saying good night to everyone, you know. So good night, Emily. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you, I appreciate that. Take care, Emily. And GG, you did well. Well, Vloggy, you better eat habaneros. I had habaneros, but the thing is, I used them to cook with them, and now I ran out. Now what do I do? What do I eat? I have onions, but I don't want my new office to stink of onions. I would eat onions. I don't care. Oh man. So yeah, that's that. Does anybody want to go again? Anybody want to go again? Yeah. I mean, I plan on finishing this wine during this stream, so it's quite a lot. Yeah. Yeah, we go again. We go again. Look at the answers. They're all vloggy. Look at the answers. Vloggy in your mouth. What? Vloggy, Jesus. What? Come on, man. Hey, Gideon. I'm not sure I said hello to you. If I have already, and I don't know. I'm sorry if I have already. But here's an extra hello. Wanna go again? Wanna go again? Wanna go again? For those of you that just joined and don't know what's going on, basically we're playing a game that you can join easily by just opening a tab in your browser, or just grabbing your smartphone or your tablets or your I don't know whatever, and go to jackbox.tv. And my last round. You're going away, Sakura. You're leaving. You're leaving. Come on. There's gonna be booze for everyone. And nudes. I'm kidding. Alright, let's go again. Let's go again. Drunk hype? Oh. No. No. BTXP. BTXP. First! Boom, boom. Dada, there's one more slot. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Leon! Leon! And we're going. Let's go. Vloggy, you know I'm gonna make
Welcome to Quiplash. I'm
Yes.
Schmitty, your
So am I.
host, friend,
You're
co-worker,
right.
and father. Thanks for starting
All right, let's
this
go.
game, guys. Got me out of jury duty. Let's get going. This is round one. You score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners' bonuses at stake. Go.
Alright. I don't know. I got a better one actually, hold on. I don't know, we'll see.
Let's start this show. Starting things off, a gift nobody would want, the Blank of the Month Club. Okay, pick your favorite.
I'm not voting on this one. I don't care. I'm having a sip. This is better than voting. Who's Leon?
And next is something that is probably on Nicolas Cage's to-do list.
Here comes Buggy.
It's voting time.
Oh man. You're Leon. Oh, I
Coming up
should've known.
next, a movie that should never be made into a theme park ride. Time to vote.
Oh man.
Okay, next one. A historical event that would make a bad theme for a restaurant.
Come on!
Vote on your
come
devices.
on. But you had the same idea as I did. The Great Holocaust. that I would have said the same thing. Oh, Shasha, jokes on you for pulling Vloggy and you don't get any votes.
Next up, a good name for a sex robot. It's voting time.
I like that. Who came up with that? Oh, good one. I like that. Metal Lips. I would have went with Metal Lips 2.0. Whiplash! Metal Lips 2.0.
Next one, the 6,077th layer of hell is reserved for blank. Time to vote.
Whiplash! Did I get it?
And next is, why should you never turn your back on a penguin?
One.
Vote on your devices.
Oh, you guys. Nice.
Okay, next one. What your pancreas tests revealed.
What?
Time to vote.
I'm not so sure about this one. I'm sure I get the answers. Whoa, I'm yawning like crazy.
That's all for round one. Here's the scoreboard.
Round 1. Fight. Wild flag, yes. Thank you very
On
much.
to round
Thank you
two,
very
where
much.
all points are doubled. Doubled, I say.
Oops, I'm looking at my laptop. I don't know. I don't know. I just took a shot in the dark with this one. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. Don't even that look like. What look? I don't know. This. Touch my color. 1, 0.
Let's take a look. The first prompt is the secret to a healthy head of hair. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
That made me lol. I'm sorry. Whichever answer makes me lol like that, I lolled. You see, I lolled. If I lol, and a very weird lol, that gets my vote. You see? What? I voted. What the heck? I voted. I voted.
Next up, something you probably shouldn't bring on a trip across the Sahara Desert. It's voting time. And next, what makes hot dogs taste so good? Vote on your devices.
I don't even know what Mao is, and these nuts. I'm tired of these nuts now. Like, you know, I don't know. I don't know what Mao is. Wow, super yawns.
Next in line, what's wrong with these kids today? Time to vote.
I actually made myself low when I saw my own answer. I don't know why. I am so funny. According to me.
Coming up next, a terrible talent to have for the Miss America pageant. It's voting time. And next, a good name for a dog country singer. Vote on your devices.
I like that. I like that. I hope I voted. I keep pressing them and it goes away, but sometimes it just doesn't register, I think. Wow. I'm yawning so much.
Okay, next one. Something you promise to yell if you win this game.
Ah, this would have been amazing.
Next up, a bad campaign slogan for a congressperson. Time to vote.
Oh! Oh! Look at that! Look at that! They are so similar. Look at that. That's mind blowing. It's amazing. Nobody likes diarrhea except me. I'm the only one that likes diarrhea. I got whiplash. Whiplash by Dada.
That's the end
Nice
of round
one.
2. Let's take a look at the scores.
Wow, it's amazing. I Vlage went from first place to sixth place. Amazing. Amazing.
Welcome to the last lash, the final round. Stakes are tripled. There's just one prompt, and you're all getting it. The last lash prompt is what robots dream about.
Oh, come on. Come on. I don't know how to spell it. I'm not bothered spelling it correctly. I'm sorry.
Let's see the responses.
I don't know. I gave it a shot. I don't know.
Hand out your votes.
I like that one. Such a good pun. Pun. Alright. Fembots. I like that. Fembots is a reference to what's it called? To Austin Powers. I love gold. No, that's Dr. Evil. Red Rooster. Nice watch. I think my battery's dying though. It's a smartwatch though. Hold on. Look, I got the pictures and stuff, but yeah. Sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's play. Oh, I got 3 votes at least for Robot Scarlett Johansson. I figured if I dream about her, robots would dream a better version of her. I don't know. I don't know. How are you, Red Rooster? How are you? Welcome. My laptop died. Oh, I can go on this one actually. Hold on a second. I didn't do so well now.
That's it. Let's take a look at the final scores.
I went to last place probably. I stayed on the 6th place. Wow. Dada's done it. GG Dada. You did really well. You did very, very well. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, my son. I am very proud of you. Okay. One last round before I go to bed because I know I've only been streaming for 1 hour 35 minutes, which is a joke. But I'm very tired and I've had a few drinks. Hold on. How about we do another one? One last round. Someone can take my name. No, because this is about me and Sakura actually. If Sakura joins the next game, actually before I commit to saying that, let me see if I have any peppers around. Alright? Let me see if I have something in my fridge. Alright? Hold on. I'm gonna check real quick. Alright, hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'm gonna go check if I have any peppers. I'm gonna be right back. Don't go anywhere. Because, yeah, if I do have peppers, Sakura, I'm gonna make you a challenge. I'll be right back.
Ay! 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 Ay!
All right, here's what. Here's what. All right, hold on. Let me see what's going on.
Aye.
Froggy wants you. What? I want you to stay, Sakura. Yes, it's true. Where you going? What you got more important, huh? What you got more important? No, but seriously. Okay, I wasn't able to find any habaneros because I used both of them. I was hoping maybe there was one left. We could make a game with it. But
Ay!
I did find this. I don't know if it's just as good or good enough. I found a jar of jalapenos. Can we? I don't know. Would it be okay if I had like a full spoonful of jalapenos in my mouth? Like,
Ay!
do you want to do that? Is it just as good, or shall we just leave that for another time and we'll actually get proper habaneros? Can we do that? Do you want to do that? I want to hear from the free subs and Chinese. Bye. Bye. Have a great time. Bye. Bye. Have a great time. No, Vloggy, no! No, but seriously, that's all the spiciness I have right now. That's all. Hold on. So I got a jar of. Put them in your butt. Another round. Get down. What do you think? What do you guys think? Shall we? Shall we? Sakura's gone. I think Sakura's gone. She's gone. Let's do another round. Let's do another round. One final round.
Ay!
Let's go. Kinda Chris. Alright, let's go. New players. We're going in. We're going in. Are you guys ready? Go to jackbox.tv on your browser, on your tablet, on your whatever. Sorry, I'm retired. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you so much. Alright, let's go again. Jay! Oh, no, hold on. I don't want people to go in before I do. Hold on. JB. H.
Ay!
Oh my goodness, I need to get in! Before I go in. I barely made it. I barely made it in. Alright, that's already too late, Red Rooster. I barely made it in myself. Next one, we'll do another one after this. Hold on, I got a text though. Hold on. Hold on, I need to send this text real quick. Hold on. How did the game start anyway?
Hi, I'm Josh Schmitty Schmitzenstein, your court-ordered host of Quiplash. You guys ready to lose about 10 minutes of your life? Great. Time for round one. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
Bare Bones, welcome. Long time no see, buddy. my goodness, I'm blanking out. Alright. Oh my goodness, I didn't even type properly. Alright, let's see. I'm not very satisfied with my answers, but we're gonna
Let's
have to
start
do.
this show. First one, a fun thing to think about during mediocre sex.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, everyone,
but I
vote for
like
your
that.
favorite.
I'd rather have people thinking about me than Donald Trump, so I went. It's a compliment. Cheerios. Ah! Jill Booty.
And next is an unusual object to bludgeon someone to death with. It's voting time.
I like that one.
Next in line, what FDR meant to say was, we have nothing to fear but blank. Vote on your devices.
Oh. Yeah. I tried blaming it on Mac Knight, but it didn't work.
Next one, an unusual special skill to include on your resume. Okay, next one, a bad place to skinny dip. Time to vote.
Oh, you guys. You're making me want to play RE7 again. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. And by the way, I have skinny dipped in the ocean.
And next is the official medical term for belly button lint, probably. Vote on your devices. Next up, a little known perk of being U.S. president.
Who's hold on? I have no idea who's playing anymore.
Next in line, invent a Christmas tradition sure to catch on. It's voting time.
Oh. Oh, you guys. Alright, terrible.
That's the end of round one. Let's take a look at the scores.
I'm not doing so well. I was on 6th place and I stayed on 6th place. I'm bad.
Time for round two, where everything is worth 2 times as much as that silly round one.
Let's see. Duh. We'll see. Hang on, I'm gonna switch off the lights in my apartment. I switched them on and I left them like that. Vlog should work. Yes, one day. When I hit 10,000 subs. Okay, good, good, good. Deal. Alright, all the lights are off. Good. No, not 5,000. No. 10,000. I'll never reach 10,000, so.
Okay, here we go. Our first prompt is a bad one-word slogan for a presidential campaign. Okay, pick your favorite.
It had to be one word. One word, Bear. It had to be one word. Yes, Cheer. That is a very good question. Yes, it's coming. It's coming.
Coming up next, today's
So-
music needs more blank.
Hint, 1,500.
Time to vote.
Okay, Cheer? Get it? 1,500. I like that one. I like the cowbell.
And next, a bad name for a brand of bottled water. Vote on your devices.
I like that one. 1 million. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. I will definitely work at 1 million. Alright? Definitely. Or I'll try
And
to work.
next
I'll
is-
try.
What the boogeyman is afraid of. Time to vote.
Ghostbusters!
Okay, next one. The best question to ask God when you meet him. It's voting time.
One of them is bare bones. The short one is bare bones. The short one is bare bones. Hold on. The short one is bare bones. The other one is probably, I don't know, Cheer. It's not bare bones. Hold on. Who's hold on? Hold on. Who's hold on? I don't know. I don't know anything anymore.
Next in line, what tattoo should Justin Bieber get next? Vote on your devices.
Oh. I have no idea who these people are, Djibouti and
Next up,
what are
a
these
little known
names I'm
fact
getting
about
on
the
screen? I
Jolly
don't know.
Green Giant. Time to vote.
You guys. Whiplashberry.
Coming up next, the best thing about being really dumb. It's voting time.
Oh, man. I like that. I forgot there's Sassy as well in chat. I think Sassy's playing as well. Ooh, I won this one. Ah, you're Barry. Okay. You're Blaze, of course. No, I get that.
Round two is no more.
There's
Let's
a
see
lot of
the
people I don't
damage.
get who they are. Come on, I want to be top 4 at least. Come on.
Hey!
Oh, number 3. GG. At least.
This is round 3, the last lash. One final chance to catch up. Point values are tripled, and everyone gets the same prompt this time. Our last lash prompt is the worst thing to find frozen in an ice cube.
Wow. She's sing the Pokemon theme. I can sing something else. Wow, the worst thing to find frozen in ice cube. Wow. So many opportunities, but my mind is going blank. It's amazing. I thought of something funny. Oh man.
Here's what everybody wrote. Vote away.
Oh my goodness. Right, so I like this one. I like this one. And I like this one. Who's that? Cheer. Wow, really? Vloggy's gonna... Vloggy's gonna win? Vloggy's gonna win. Whoa, wow. And that was me, by the way. I wrote my own name now. I didn't know what to write, so I wrote my own name. Did I get top 3?
That's the end. Let's see the final scoreboard.
I think I did. I am already top 3. Come on, number 2, second place. I should do a happy dance. I should do a dance for you guys. I should do a dance for you guys. I should do a dance.
Hey!
I don't know if I play a YouTube video and hear it. I don't think you can. My mouse died. Why you die, man? My mouse died. Thank you! We're gonna go for one last round. One last round. But seriously now, it has to be. Oops. What? Already? I guess we're going. I guess we're going. I guess we're going. Boom. Jackbox.tv, put in that code real quick. Real quick. Real quick. Real quick. Real quick. Real quick. Mommy. There's 2 more spots. Come on. Come on. I was gonna do a happy dance, but I accidentally hit. Whoop. Red is in. Nice. Anybody else? Should I do a dance in the meantime? Should I do a dance? But this music is playing now. Well, I can easily mute it actually. My mouse died. Let me get the other mouse. Dada's in. No, let's go. Let's go. Last game, guys. I'm gonna go to bed because I've been up for almost, 24 hours. Wow, I was gonna say 12. 24. We're flash.
Hey there, Schmitty here. You there, Schmitty here. Yes. I see the Pope didn't show up again. Well, let's do this anyway.
Red's gonna be a savage, I know it. Yep, just like
This
Shasha.
is round
she still
1.
here? I haven't seen
you
her in
get
chat in a
points
while.
based on the
Did she
percentage of
leave?
people who like your answer, and a bonus if you get more votes than your opponent. Go.
Oh my goodness. Oh man, I'm sorry, but this one. This was asking for a stereotype. I'm sorry. This is stupid. I don't know what to do with this one. I'm not familiar with the context, so I don't really know what to say. I don't know what to say. Just in time.
Okay, it's time for some
But
quiplashing.
it's like last
First up,
resort.
the name of a species of dinosaur you wouldn't want to meet. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
Oh my goodness, who came up with that? That is so good. If it was me, I would have wrote Raposaurus. That is so good. Blaze, GG. Whoa, you got a quiplash, did you? Quiplash, Blaze. That is so good.
Next
That
one,
is so good.
a great opening line to start a conversation with a stranger at a party. Vote on your devices.
You guys are crazy. Who's mommy now?
Okay, next one. The pyramids would be even more impressive if they contained blank. It's voting time.
Oh man.
Next up, the most stereotypical country song title. Time to vote.
Oh, come on, man! Come on!
And next is the worst family secret that could come out over Thanksgiving dinner.
Alright. Wow, Blaze is doing well right now, huh? He got a quiplash and a straight win right now. He's doing well.
And next, the best place to bury all those bodies. Vote on your devices.
Eel!
Coming up next, your personal catchphrase if you are on one of those Real Housewives shows. It's voting time.
Oh wow, seriously, the one time vlog get the win? Is when I write it myself? Oh man.
Next in line, new show idea, America's Next Top Blank. Vote on your devices.
I like that one. I like the feminist. I don't know who wrote it, but I like that.
Round 1 is in the books. Let's see the scores.
Come on, Vloggy. Come on. Sixth place. I have a thing for the sixth place.
It's
This is
time
the
for
most
round
I've
2,
laughed in
where
ages.
all
I'm
point
glad,
values are
Sassy.
doubled.
That's the point
That's
of all
right,
this.
doubled.
Come on. Oh, I'm waiting. I'm gonna go get my mouse real quick so I can plug it because this one died. Oh, it went back on. Nice. Okay, good. We're good. 4 a.m. he's having a blast. It's 2 a.m. here. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, Blaze.
Let's take a
right.
look.
Right on
Starting
the tick.
things off,
Let's go.
a strange thing to read on a doormat. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Oh man. Ooh. Impressive place. Nice. Impressive. I'm quite impressed.
Next up, the best way to tell if a tomato is ripe. Time to vote.
Oh man. Oh man.
And next is a more environment-friendly alternative to toilet paper. It's
Oh,
voting
come
time.
on. But I think it's funny. Wiping your ass with me. I find that funny, so. I hate you, Cheer.
Okay, next one. Something people used to do for fun before electricity. Vote on your devices.
Soggy biscuit. I never had that expression. Ah, come on! I don't even know what that means. Am I the only one who doesn't know what that means? Probably something vulgar. You kids these days.
Coming up next, the best way to quickly blow $1 million. Time to vote.
Oh my goodness, that is so awesome. That is so something I would say. Oh man. Blaze, nice one. Nice.
And next,
I
the name of a font nobody would ever use. It's voting time.
I'm yawning badly. Alright, this one I guess.
Next one, what would make baseball more entertaining to watch? Time to vote. Next in line, name a candle scent designed specifically for Kim Kardashian. Vote on your devices.
Wow. I must have won like 50 times in this stream. I'm so sorry. Oh, you.
We've
That's
reached
done.
the end of round 2. Let's see what happened.
Come on. Something better than the 6th place. Come on, give me something. Fifth.
And
Last
now
lash. Come on,
round
you have to do
3,
better
the
than that.
last
Come on.
lash. Point values are tripled, and you'll all be answering the same prompt this time.
Ouch.
Our prompt is the name of a toilet paper specifically designed for the Queen of England.
I need to know how to spell a word properly. Oh man!
All right, we're ready. Give out your votes now.
Oh, I like that. This must be an Amy reference. Hey, Dean Beam, welcome. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, buddy. I think you're a bit late though, because I'm about to wrap this up. I would love. I originally intended to go for about 4 hours, but I'm. Cabbage. Cabbage. Crump it up. Crump it up. Ooh. I really wanted to do Her Royal Highness, but I didn't know how to I didn't know how to spell Heine.
It's over. Let's take a look at the final scores.
Come on. Top 3 vlogging. Come on, top 3. Oh, fine. Blaze did well, huh? Blaze played really well. Uranosaurus. That's awesome. I like that so much. Uranosaurus. Uranosaurus. That's it. That would be it. Alright guys, I would love to play for another 2 hours. That was my urgent intention, to play up until 4 a.m. here. But oh man, I've been up since 5 a.m. and I need to get some sleep. Almost 24 hours up, huh? 22 hours. I need to get some sleep. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out in chat, whether you were watching the stream or playing with me or whatever. We're gonna do this again, and I promise you guys, next time, I would love to Red Rooster, but I need to get some sleep. I'm so sorry. I hate disappointing people, but I need to get some sleep. No, seriously, I have a glass of wine I still haven't drank yet. But yeah, so we're gonna do it again. Rooster, no means no. Okay, Rusty. Hey, you are so late. Finishing up. Okay, rape it is, Red. No, Rusty, we're wrapping things up. Just having a sip of wine before I end the stream. Listen to me slurping. Look. Good night. Good night, all. Good night, Cheer. Good night, Sha Sha Sha. Good night, McKnight. Good night, what's that? Sazi. Thank you all so much. Next time, it's gonna be with Chili. I promise you guys, it's gonna be with Chili. And I will be challenging random people out of the chat. Alright, like for example, let's say, right now let's say there's Sha Sha Sha, for instance, in chat. Alright, and say I'm gonna challenge Sha Sha Sha. If she beats me in this round, I will eat a chili, for instance. Or like, I don't know, we go against Cheer and say, listen, if Cheer beats me in this round, I don't know, if he goes second, I'm a third. If he beats me, I will eat a chili. And we keep doing that. We'll do that. Next time. Alright, where is my goodbye? Goodbye, Red. Alright, I'm gonna go. Can we do a raid? I don't know. How many people are watching? I have no idea. Let's see. How many? Please tell me how many people are watching, first of all. Who's up for a raid? I've never done a raid in my life. The only reason why I've never done a raid in my life is that I'm not confident with raids, to be honest with you. I don't know why. Who's streaming? I don't know who Pudge is, honestly. I've never been on his streams. You wanna go check out Pudge? I mean, I've been on his stream once, but it's not like, I don't think I was active in his chat. So it's like, just... Keen Dacker! Yes! Where's Keen? Oh, yes, Keen! Keen is a buddy. Oh, yes. Let's all go to Keen. Yes, let's all go to Keen's. Keen is awesome. No, let's all go to Keen's. Let's go to Keen. Hold on, give me a sec. Let me give you a sec. Keen is awesome. Let's go to Keen's. Keen is fantastic. Where's Keen? Keen! Oh, I love Keen. There he is. Sucker. Alright. Let's go. Let's go to his stream. I'm gonna mute him real quick. Mute? Alright. I'm gonna post it in the thing. Just go there, okay? Go there and say Vloggy Raid. Vloggy Raid. Alright, go. I've never done this before. It's me. I'm a raid virgin. Go tell him I'm a raid virgin. Let's go. Just give him a like. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to stick around or anything. Just say Vloggy Raid and tell him I'm a raid virgin. And and that. Alright. I'll see you there. I'm gonna be there. Bye. Have a great time. See ya. Bye.